In a politically significant development, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge arrived in Guwahati, the capital of Assam, on July 16, 2025. Their visit comes at a crucial time as the party intensifies its efforts to strengthen its organizational base and reassert its presence in the northeast region ahead of the upcoming elections. The two top leaders of the Indian National Congress were received by senior party functionaries and workers at the Guwahati airport amidst high security and enthusiastic crowds. The visit marks the beginning of a series of high-level strategy meetings planned over the next 48 hours. At the heart of this political mission is the Political Affairs Committee meeting, which saw detailed discussions on state-level leadership, grassroots mobilization, and alliance strategies. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge were joined by prominent Congress MPs, MLAs, and key office bearers of the Pradesh Congress Committee. The meeting was held behind closed doors at a city hotel, but sources suggest that the focus remained on realigning the party's roadmap and addressing the organizational challenges that have emerged in the region. Following the Political Affairs Committee session, a dedicated meeting with PCC office bearers, MLAs, and MPs took place. Discussions included feedback from constituencies, updates on public outreach programs, and analysis of the BJP-led government's performance in Assam. Both leaders stressed the importance of unity, discipline, and direct engagement with voters at the booth level. Later in the afternoon, Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge addressed a Congress workers' meet, attended by hundreds of party supporters and grassroots workers from across Assam. In their speeches, both leaders emphasized the Congress party's historical connection with the people of the Northeast and reiterated their commitment to the region's development, inclusivity, and democratic rights. Rahul Gandhi, while addressing the crowd, said, "The Northeast has always been close to my heart. We are here to listen, to learn, and to fight for your voice. The Congress party will stand with the people of Assam and ensure that justice, equality, and peace are preserved." Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge added, "The BJP has divided communities and weakened institutions. It's time to rebuild, and that rebuilding begins with you, the workers, the organizers, the people who believe in the idea of India." The visit comes at a time when the Congress party is aiming to revive its national image and challenge the dominance of the BJP in key states. Assam, being politically and strategically significant, plays a vital role in shaping the party's prospects in the Northeast. As the meetings continue, all eyes are on the resolutions that may emerge from these sessions. Will this mark the beginning of a Congress resurgence in the region? Stay tuned to our channel for exclusive visuals. Expert Polly.